Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll be explaining you all how to draw a structure of eye in very easy steps because I'm teaching since long time and I've seen that students face difficulty in drawing diagrams. So that's the reason I brought a trick how to draw a structure of eye in a very geometric manner. Anybody can draw it. It's not necessary you should be good at drawing. There are some few steps which you need to follow. It will be very easy for you all to draw the diagram. So the first step to draw the structure of eye is draw a circle. Our eye is kind of circular, so therefore we draw a circle. Okay. The second step after drawing a circle is draw two tangents on the left side. Two tangents, okay, which will definitely meet at a single point. Two tangents. Let them meet at a single point. Okay. There's a bit of problem. That's okay. That is manageable. So once you draw two tangents, the next step is just draw a partial or a dotted line from the point where the tangents intersect. Okay, horizontally. Now it's your choice, either above this line or below this line. Just rub a bit of portion, okay, and make an outlet for optic nerve in this way. Okay. After this, once the line's work is done, you can actually erase the line. There's no problem, no matter in keeping it. It's done. The work is done. After this, the point where the tangent has touched the circle. Try seeing the points, similar points, and the tangent itself. There you can just hardly at the point where it is touching. From there, at the right side, you can just take one finger up and you can make a kind of upper growth or upper line, okay, and allow that line to come parallel to the tangent below. Okay, as it approaches slowly to this point, we have to make a curvature such that there is formation of a curve for our cornea. Okay, so after some point what I do is I start making a curve. See, I have started making a curve. The curve should be having the maximum depth at the point where both the lines are intersecting. The same thing has to be done even here at the point, parallel point. Just draw a straight line and see a parallel point. Where is that coming here? And accordingly make the cut. See, so this makes your forward portion of the eye. Now, once this is made, you can just erase the tangent, which will avoid the confusion. You can erase the points of tangent. So that tangent was just for helping you out in making a proper cut. You can also erase the circle part now and just leave some of the part which is connected to the upper end, this end. So this is the outline of eye. Now we'll make the walls of eye. So outermost wall of the eye is called as sclera. Okay, so we will be making an outline of sclera. So start the outline. Outline is uniform all over. Draw the outline of sclera just below the outermost layer of eye. Carry that in the optic nerves region also and give an inner outline to the optic nerve. Okay, you can continue this at bottom, and even here the outline has to be given. So you have made the outline now. Now let's come to the second layer or second wall, that is called as choroid. I indicate with the blue. Now this circle which I have made, just make its half part. Okay, and wherever the half is made, approximately here, from here you have to start the choroid. Carry it till the optic nerve. From here just make a turn and finish it at this point. Do not make one more outline. Okay. Similarly, end it. So this is the 2/3 region, backside 2/3 region. This continues further. From where do you want to continue? I'll tell you. The point where you have made this upper outline, the points, mark the points there. It should be parallel. Make sure it is parallel at top and bottom. From here, you need to make ciliary bodies. So just make outgrowth and connect it to the outer layer. By the way, this layer which is formed is cornea. Similarly, do it here too. After this, between these ciliary bodies, make a lens in center, crystalline lens. Try to maintain the symmetry. Okay. After this, make iris. So this actually, the ciliary body is nothing but the continuation of your choroid. Now make a base here of iris, and this iris is connected to the lens. Pull this down, maybe to 1/4 of the part, and even here. Similar thing has to be done here. So this is the iris. However, iris also is connected to the lens with the help of a ciliary ligament. Draw that ciliary ligament. So this is a bit of outline. Now let's go for the retina. The point where the ciliary body ends, from there you need to start the retina. The thickness of retina is a bit more. Retina has to be continued inside in this region, but through these lines which I am making. That's because there are no fibers present. Okay. Similarly, even here you need to start the same way as you started here. However, in this case, we will be ending the retina here itself. Now the point where the retina is stopping or finishing at the lower end, just below that point, maybe 1 to 2 centimeters below, just make a depression till the choroid. This turns to be the fovea. Okay, so done. See, the structure of eye is ready. Okay, yeah, the last point, you need to make a thin covering on this cornea. This hole is cornea from this point to this point. The thin covering, there is nothing but the conjunctiva. So let's make thin membrane. So now we'll label it. Okay, so as you saw, even you can see the labeling here, as well as I have displayed the image. So you can see, you can match. That was the actual diagram drawn by seeing from a book, and this is just by the tricks. Okay, so you can see all of them are, all the points are labeled, maximum of them. This is useful for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, even for further if you study human anatomy. Okay, I hope you have understood, guys. Thank you.